Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Hobby Lobby haul to share and I hope that you will join me. Let's start with this one. I found this in the jewelry section. It is a UV LED jewelry lamp and it is for use with UV resin. It is a 9-watt LED lamp. It's USB powered and the lamp dimension is 5.75 by 2 by 1.8 inch. So it was $14.99 and I paid $3.74. A very good buy. I also picked up a few other items. This is the silicone mat. It was $3.99 and I paid 99 cents. Let's see, I also picked up these, what is it called? Let me see if I can pull up this tape for a minute here. It is glue on bead cap with loop. It was $5.99 and I paid $1.49. So this is, let me see if I can open this right quick so I can show you. It looks like this. See, it's domed. So it goes on a little glass jar, like the round jars, and it sits like this on top. Kind of like putting an ornament inside this bulb. But I figured I can use that with any other bead items too. So I picked up 2 packages. These were $5.99 and I paid $1.49. I also picked up this one. This is plastic glue on bale. It was $3.99. I paid 99 cents. And let me pull one of these out too. And that's what that looks like. Can you tell? It's just a flat disc with like an eyelet. And this is also used with resin. I think it's made for, when you make a charm and you want your charm to have a little holder, you slide this into the resin and then this will stick out like that. But I only found one of these. I found this down to the brad aisle. You get 50 silver brads. It was $2.99 and I paid 74 cents. I also picked up this. This is epoxy stickers and you get 24 stickers. And they are the 1 inch across. And this was $3.99. I paid 99 cents each. And I was able to find 3 packages. So I picked that up. I also found this one. This is the cutting pads for the sidekick. It was $3.99. I paid $1.24. I also found 2 more Mickey Mouse stamps. These were $5.99 and I paid $1.74 each. I picked up this one. This is the one that says Mickey Hello Smile, and it has the thumb up. And then also this one. This one says Mickey and has a sign language. Oh boy. So I'm happy I found 2 more in the collection. So, and then I found this one down the bakery aisle. It's a candy mold, and it makes 77 cobblestones. Cute, right? Now I can use this in my crafting project. You don't necessarily have to use it for cake. So I thought this would come in handy. Like if you need to create a trail or something for like your fairy village, that'll be cute, right? So that was my thought on picking these up. Really cute. Oh, let's see, how much was it? Because I paid 49 cents and is it $1.99? I picked up only one, but I figured that's all I need. Let's see, I went down the art aisle and I picked this up. This is a lykqfxy and Miskit. Regular price was $11.99 and it's $2.99. It's a watercolor. I don't know. It was on sale, so I picked it up. I'm gonna figure out how to use this. So it says it works well on paper and photos. So we'll see. I also picked up some modeling paste because one can never have enough modeling paste. It was $12.99 and I paid $3.24. And I picked up this one from one store, and then from my second store I picked up another one. So I found it in it's a 7.98 fluid ounce. These two. And then I found this one at another store, or the second store. And this is a larger container. This one you get 16 fluid ounces. And then this one was $19.99 regular price, and I paid $4.99. I like buying white modeling paste, you know, that way you can color it to whatever color you want. Those are all the clearance items I picked up this time. So this past week the baking aisle was on sale and Christmas was on sale, and they were at 50% off. So I picked up this big mold. It's a round breakable chocolate mold. It is 7.87 inch in diameter. Look how huge this is. It's gonna make like a very huge ornament. But this is how you use it. See, like you put chocolate in there and you create the outer layer, and then you fill the inside with you know, teeth decayers. And then you give it to somebody special. You're like, here, I love you. Yeah, I like the size of this. I won't be making a chocolate mold, but I want it a really large mold. So I picked up two, and these were $9.99, and they were 50% off. But I picked up two, so I paid. They were $4.99, and I picked up two for $9.98. And then for Christmas, I picked this one up again. I like this ornament, 4.72 inch ornament, and it was $2.99. Paid $1.49 each. And then I picked up the paper mache ornaments. And then these were regular price at $1.99. I picked up three of these. They were 99 cents each. So I went down the aisle where they have the regular paper mache items. They have some of these ornaments down there too, but they were, I believe, $1.27 each, and the ornaments themselves are a little smaller. But since I was paying only 99 cents each, I decided to go with the ones that are 3.5 by 3.5 inch. And then the last items I picked up are these. I finally found the vintage Christmas pad. Let me open this because I really, well, you know what? The pictures are on the outside, but you know how we are. We like to see what the actual paper looks like. Yeah, the original price is $9.99. So you know what I learned about Hobby Lobby? When they do their 50% off, if you buy two of the same thing, you either save a penny or you save 2 pennies. I like this one. So you get 60 sheets, you get 15 designs, and 4 of each design, or 4 sheets of each design. And the papers are 8 by 5 by 11. And this is what it looks like. Nice. This is a song sheet. Really cute. Sled. Christmas trees. Santa. I like that one. Nice. A postcard with snowflakes. Oh, that one's cute. Christmas lights. Oh, I like this one too. The holly berries. And postcards. Ooh, this one's pretty too. Look at that. Oh, you get typewriters and the Polaroid. Quite retro or vintagey. And you get stripes. Oh, I like this one too. Pine cones. Ooh, pretty. Poinsettias. I am glad that they did not gild the gold part. Very nice. And then the plaid. There's some nice paper in this pad. I am quite glad I ventured out to pick up some more items from my second store. I did find a lot of goodies. I'm quite happy. I'm really glad I found these paper maches. I plan to DIY these very soon. So stay tuned and come back to visit me. I hope I was able to show you a few items today that you may want to keep a watch out for. Like all these resin tools are on clearance again. And they also have some of the jewelry molds if you're looking for the jewelry molds. They're all in the jewelry section. So take a look when you go visit your Hobby Lobby. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.